bwa nyuma y'abanyabuzare ba ASP Alex Nuwamanya okumurondo ku marebero bishatu abuzire omutumbi go gwizere kushangwa mukabafu ahirwa rerikuru eryambarara
abasibura nadi wa mwana wabo Kelvin is son to Nuwamanya Alex.
Ogu no mu bagwiro mu rubutandu eyabire sanga eyaferiremo abantu 8
hatwo tugenda ngera n'abanye sikotinge sobiwe siko kutsega twonka amwenje y'abantu bunashanya abaganga bya hagatiza abarate basentamino atamo muntu mu bagwira n'amatoka turutu babanya ngo
Assistant Superintendent of Police Alex Nuwamanya abirar OC Station wa Kitagwenda Central Police Station kandi polisi ya muziko mu kitinisa
Uganda kwaferwa
akaburi Friday akanshabira cyangwa kapande nyikiriza aterese Friday once in a while umeza kushaba sabe nakundi dini agenda shaba rwaka agenda rwakatano rwamukagate ni service sana koreshe sabe nakunda raha abatakwita gachi please
aho ebronka bishatu ndakumenya ngo niye naterere na mu traffic officers aba responding asiye ni kibega usanga ndakumenya ngo Alex was one of the victims bareto murambwe bagureta mu cyaraha mbarra ndikushitama CPS ndakumenya ngo Alex ari mu cyare mbarra mu rusaro amabyana
Alex nkarana wa campus even ko yamaze kusima mukazuwe ninye wiyabanze kweta nifunde Alfred Jombreve Rachel ni kusima okuguma kando kakunda Alex
yafera myaka 8 kandi yasiga abana babojo abakazi bashatu
akanda kansanga banaija almost every weekend okwa evacuate audit atomya benaija mu process akanda kansa kuitomu cha ngamba jiru cha kai zukoheba mukaribo yamarandete kama kundeta anawekea kwansha ni yon anakunya mfama kanisa yaniwekanite iwa mpire na yaga kaya jima
amaze yagaragazwa mu sitting room nareba mu siringi namureba takunjenga kunkatinda bifireho yamara Nuwamanya kanjende nyenshakari nyine fixed program namusibura yagenda now urwa katano yaba nagaruka the same week that was Tuesday on 10th urwa katano yaba nagaruka 13th shamunana nedachika shatuna yanjera Nuwamanya ebinani koranija nifunza hati naza kuyisha namugira ntikare
2007 after being taken to school Nyowe I met my husband there. I apologize my aunties, please, this is the time you should know the truth. In 2007 Nyowe Kunajira University I only stayed alone for 1 semester. The second semester Alex yani homeroom nashwerwa Alex yantwara that is it.
Deputy Alapisi yabwa Ruiz Region yagambo ko Alex afire kandi yarabarabara kuvugira eryo hanguto
amazima goli getengwa owabire navuga drone akawuvatekinga yarabo blind spot yabugana na trailer bahonda na usoba ntama icyo cyabireho. That was the cause of the accident. Aza kandi yakribinga abantu 8 na Alex ahiyabirari.
Ogu yaterwa round zishatu nogoma sasa 8 higuru aha kumuzika nde Evans Taremwa ahabwa TV West omurikashari Mbarara.